Hello friends, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to show you what is difference between where dynamic and object in C sharp. So this is a very important topic. So once are you working on a development project and decide you to how to data types will we use in our applications, which is the more efficient and which scenario we need to identify which type of data and then which type of variable declaration, then this is very useful for you. So now I'm going to the next slide and see what is the difference between them. So object, each object in C sharp is derived from object type either directly or indirectly. It is compile time variable and require boxing and unboxing for conversion, and it make it slow. You can change value type to reference type and vice versa. So object is totally compile time and it's require boxing and unboxing. Boxing it means like you need to put the code on the conversation. Like if suppose like boxing, I will show you in the next video for the more details what is boxing and unboxing. So just so it's compile time variable and required boxing and unboxing for conversation. So I will show you on the Visual Studio how it required boxing and unboxing. So I'm go to the Visual Studio. Here you can see I have already created one example. So here you can see that I create a ob- object of object type variables and I assign a value to the integer type 5, and after that on the next line I put some operand like plus operand to the add some value in the object types. So I just put object plus 10. Then here you can see that we got the compile time error. You can see here, uh, I will show you in the like operator plus cannot be applied to operands of type object and int. So it's need to be boxing, it needs to be conversion of object to integer, then addition should be possible. After that on the third line I assign the string value. Then no inner boxing happens here because initially at the time of initialization I have assigned integer value, and after going forward I will assign a string value. So then it store the string value and no compilation error here. But at the time of operations it's compile time error, right? And after that I will show you what is where. So where is also a compile time variable and it does not require boxing and unboxing. So here you can see the main difference between object and where. So object is also compile time variable, but it's require boxing and unboxing for conversion. But for where it is also a compile time variable, but it does not require boxing and unboxing. Since where is compile time variable, all type checking is done at compile time. So where once you initialize the variable in the where type, so they all the compile time checking is done at the time of initialization, and we can't change type once it store it. So I will show you on the example. So where type. So I create a object of where and assign it to integer value right here, and after that object where equals to I put some print variable plus 10. Here you can see that we don't get any compilation error because it, because it's don't require the boxing and unboxing here. But after on bars, if you store the string value, right, hello, then you can see that, sorry, in the object where once I set that string type value, then you can see that not implicitly convert string to int, because uh, in the var type once we initialize the variable integer, then it's totally compile time and they're treated as a integer value, and I'm going forward if we change to the string, then we need to boxing here. For the conversion, it does not require boxing and boxing because it's only a store integer value. We can't store uh, string or any type other type of value in the var type. And after that, what is dynamic? So uh, dynamic is a runtime variable and not require boxing and unboxing. You can assign and value to the dynamic and also can change value type store in same. All error on dynamic can be discovered at runtime only. We can also say that dynamic we can also say that dynamic is a runtime object which can hold any type of data. So we in the dynamic type we can hold any type of data in the dynamic types. So I can show you in the example also. So dynamic, I create object d1, right? So d1 equals to d1 plus 10 and d1 equals to, so here in the dynamic type we can store any type of value and we don't need to boxing and boxing here. But you can see that where it's the totally compile time variable and it's, all the types should be checked at the compile type. Once we initialize the variable integer type, then it's only stored in the integer value and we can't store a string or any other type of data types. But in the objects we can also store any type of value if we initialize integer, then after going forward and we can store like integer or any other type of value. But in the operations we need to boxing and unboxing here. So these are the main difference between them. So thank you all, thank you for this video, and you don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you, have a nice day.